So in the past I've talked about shop organization, and this is another thing I've done. I recently bought a 5-inch random orbital sander, and the sandpaper velcros onto the bottom. So I bought a whole bunch of different grit sandpaper, and I didn't know where to keep it. I tried hanging it up on the pegboard, but that took up a lot of room where I could put tools. My sandpaper I just keep in a folder, and I can go through and find the grit that I want, but I didn't really like that idea. So I ended up coming up with this, which is just a board with some nails in it. But this is so nice being able to, just like the pegboards I use, being able to come up here and say, oh, I need 150 grit right here. Got it, slap it on. When I'm done, if it's still good, I can put it back on. Similar to all the other things I've done, and recently I made a holder for my socket drivers that I can see the size right on there. I can look right on here, 80 grit right here. I can just grab it, use it, throw it out if it's bad. It doesn't take up a lot of room. I can see exactly what I have left. I can see all the grits I have. It's very visual, easy to get to quick. I don't have to get into a folder and find, okay, where's the 80 grit? Some things in the shop can be filed away. Like sandpaper, you don't need it to be out and seen. You can just find what you need. A lot of my parts and tools I have in this drawer, and I can take it out and say, okay, here's the screws I need. But sometimes it's really nice having something out and visual and easy to grab. It's stored, it's not taking up a lot of space, but it's easy to get to. It's just a piece of plywood with nails spaced out enough. I just had to measure, okay, these are 5-inch. Where's the hole gonna be? Where can I write the size? I just have it nailed to a stud on the back, painted it white. I can be sanding up, this one's bad, throw it out. What do I need? 80 grit right here. Oh, I need another finer grit. It's ready to go. And that's the stuff I like, where stuff's convenient, organized, I know where it is, I don't have to go searching for it. So if you have a bunch of sandpaper for a random orbital sander like this, I think this is a great way to store it. So let me know what you think. Thanks. Well, I hope you liked the video you just watched. If you did, feel free to subscribe by clicking the button on this side. You can also check out all the videos I've done, the playlist from things I've built, things I've fixed, home repair, 3D printing, and on this side you can check out a recommended video similar to the one you just watched. And as always, down in the description I'll put a link to my blog, which has more pictures and more information about the video you just watched. Thanks.